Today, we are gathered here for another significant event of 11th Offers Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion for the conduct of joint closing and opening ceremony of platoon and squad sustainment training.
To our battalion executive officer, Lieutenant Colonel Camero, sir, good morning. To our CDC Director, Lieutenant Colonel Anwar O. Celes, sir, good morning. My fellow reservists, good morning. So, through these different trainings, we develop our knowledge, our skills, in combat skills, and even in any forms of disasters. So, isa-isip natin yan para magamit natin sa bandang huli. So, in case there's an invasion or any forms of calamities, disasters, so magagamit natin yung natutunan natin. So, and also, in this, we have this coming opening the squad sustainment training. So it is very important to us as a squad leader that we know our responsibilities and our roles. So I hope you will take this training seriously, mentally and heartily, so that malalaman natin kung ano yung responsibilidad natin. So siguro, kung mangyayari yung invasion, handa na siguro tayo. We have different trainings. So we undergone different trainings. Para mainan sa atin yun, mga knowledge natin. At saka ma-refresh natin. So my task is to welcome you in the joint ceremony, the closing of the platoon sustainment training and the opening of the squad sustainment training. So I would like to welcome you all and good morning.
Pursuant to HP Training Directive number 19-21 March 2024, subject Ready Reserve Annual Unit Training Program Calendar Year 2024. Lieutenant Colonel Anwari Jose Reserve, I have the honor to present to you one officer and 26 enlisted personnel under the Philippine Offers Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion who undergone platoon sustainment training. Recommend that seat training be closed effective to this year. And 54 enlisted personnel under the Philippine Offers Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion who undergo squad sustainment training. Recommend that seat training be opened effective to this year.
By the authority vested in me as the Training or CDC Director of 11 Offers CDC, I hereby declare the Platoon Sustainment Training composed of 1 officer and 26 enlisted reservists of 11 Offers Arabian closed effective today. Congratulations to everyone, and subsequently declared open the Squad Sustainment Training composed of 54 enlisted reservists under 11 Offers Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion. Good luck. God bless and congratulations to everyone. This morning is to introduce to you our keynote speaker sa joint closing and opening ceremony of platoon and squad sustainment training. So, may I introduce to you the Battalion Executive Officer of the Ready Reserve Infantry Battalion. He is a lawyer in profession and dedicated reservist, full-blooded reservist. No other than the Telenexo, Caribbean, Lieutenant Colonel Luciano J. Camero, Judge, Reserve, Philippine Army.
As member of the Reserve Forces, I salute you all because you have given your time in the service of our countrymen. In your training, there is also a saying that states, constant training and practice makes perfect. Okay? So annually, we, the 1101st RRPN, is conducting training like this, platoon sustainment training. And the objectives of this training is to train the Ready Reserve Small Unit Commander under Staffs in Troop Leading Procedure, TLP. Now, your training will give a lot. Your training will count a lot because this will not be given to anybody unless you yourself will spend time in listening, in understanding the troop leading procedure that was imparted to you during the training. There were practical exercises. There were familiarization of firearms. So we are so proud na ang 1101st na natay mga Mark 1 sa atong pistol. Sa naman to'y rifle, yapon. So appeal na dito. Oh? So salamat sa Ginoo. Salamat sa panahon nga iyohang hikahin para niining training. And I hope that you will continue to support the programs and plans of the 1101st Ready Reserve Battalion. Good luck and good morning.
May kawan ng ating bayan, giting ay tinataglay. Sa oras na ako'y kinailangan, nakahandang ihatang ang buhay. Tapat na pinapatunayan sa gubat at larangan. Mindanao at Visayas man, sa Bataang Kalayaan, Vietnam. Kalasag ng matatag na republika. Mulot pawis ay di-alintana, sa kasama ilang tiwala. Pag nakawal ay lakas ng bansa, kaya palaging maghanda. Sa katunggali makikibaka, pagkat mahal namin ang bandila. Lubog na puso, kalasag ng matatag na republika. Mulot pawis ay di-alintana, sa kasamay ng tiwala. Tag ng kawal ay lakas ng bansa, kaya palaging maghanda. Sa katunggali makikibaka, pagkat mahal namin ang bandila. May kawan ng ating bayan, giting ay tinataglay. Sa oras na ako'y kinailangan, nakahandang ihatang ang buhay.